update error 0x800F0805. Step 1. Restart the PC. Close all apps properly. Restart the computer normally. After restart, check Windows Update again. Step 2. Check Internet. Make sure Wi-Fi is working fine. Pause any large downloads. Turn off VPN or proxy if enabled. Step 3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings. Go to Update and Security. Open Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update. Press Run the Troubleshooter. Let Windows fix detected issues automatically. Step 4. Check storage space. Open this PC. Make sure Drive C has free space. Delete temporary files if storage is low. Empty recycle bin. Step 5. Restart update services. Press Windows R, type services.msc, press Enter, find Windows Update Service, right-click it, and press Restart. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Step 6. Repair corrupted files. Search Command Prompt in Start menu. Right-click it, choose Run as Administrator, type SFC ScanOut, wait until scan finishes, restart the PC. Step 7. Repair Windows image. Open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Run first command, dsm online cleanup image /scan health. After it finishes, run dsm online cleanup image restore health. Restart the computer after both scans. Step 8. Clear Windows Update cache. Stop Windows Update service from services. Open File Explorer. Go to C//Windows Software Distribution. Delete everything inside the folder. Restart the Windows Update service. Try updating again. Step 9. Install Update manually. Open Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search the failed KB update number. Download the correct version. Install it manually. Step 10. Disable antivirus temporarily. Turn off third-party antivirus for a short time. Try Windows Update again. Enable antivirus after update completes. Step 11. Check date and time. Right-click the clock. Open Adjust Date Time. Enable automatic date and time settings. Step 12. Last option. Use Windows 10 Installation Assistant. Run it as administrator. It repairs update problems without deleting personal files.